LFG Season 4 Series number 3 comes to a close here tonight, ladies and gentlemen, with prime time action once again here, as it will be the North Carolina Tar Heels taking on the Miami Hurricanes. I'm your commentator for tonight, the Cowboy Crab. So we are set and ready for the last primetime matchup of Series 3, and one of the last matchups overall for Series 3 here tonight. We are set and ready here for this one between the Tar Heels and the Hurricanes. And Miami will be winning the toss, and will elect to the first. So North Carolina will be starting on offense here tonight, ladies and gentlemen. As here we go, this game now officially underway. As the Tar Heels will start with the ball here, we'll get the return for North Carolina. And oh, heavy hit. We get taken out at the 28 to start. And we first down North Carolina. As we will go ahead and get the predictions up. As you got the play clock extension here. As your starting quarterbacks here for tonight for North Carolina, Champ will be starting for the Tar Heels. As for the Miami Hurricanes, let me just double check to make sure I've got it correct. I gotta check it real quick. I have to find it to this thing. I think it's alright. Another new play here, which I mean, you still get time to look at least. Dank, the starting quarterback for the Hurricanes, based off of what information I've gotten. So we will be waiting for the ping, and also waiting for this game to go ahead and start. It's got another play here. As just a quick little interesting fact, if you were not paying attention just a little bit ago, if both of these teams do not start playing in, I'd say, in a few minutes here, then this will be a double forfeit because stats have to be in by 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which at the time of this game currently going on, so I'd say 47 minutes. I think I got that right. It's 10:13. Yeah, it's 47 minutes. So if I'm North Carolina and I'm Miami, I'm not taking a double forfeit, especially if I'm North Carolina. We're 2-0 right now. You can go 3-0, undefeated Series 3. For Miami, you get 2-1 if you get the win here tonight. Here we go. First down here, Champ, starting quarterback here for North Carolina. Champ. Byers right side. That looks a little low, but it doesn't matter. It's incomplete. Here we go. Second and 15 here. Champ with the run, and Champ with the gain of 16. Here we go now. First down for the Tar Heels. Champ in the backfield. Champ, he's got pressure. Champ. Deep left shot. The receiver burned, but is it too far back? No, it's incomplete. Oh. Yeah, I'd say it's too far back, but it's incomplete. Second and 15 now here for North Carolina. Here we go. Second and 15 here. Champ rolling left side. Champ check down here. Nor Poopy. And Nor gets gain of 12. It'll be 3rd and 3 for North Carolina. Go 3rd down the run. And it'll be a gain of 7. 1st down, North Carolina. Here we go. 1st down here. Champ rolling left side. Champ trying to find somebody. Champ with pressure goes right side check down, man. This one is caught. It'll be a gain of 14. 2nd down here. Second and 1 here. Champ pressure. Left side end zone. Swatted incomplete. It'll be 3rd down. Z short. Thank you for the follow. Much appreciated. 3rd and 1 for North Carolina. We go 3rd and 1 for the Tar Heels. Champ fires. Pass is caught. It'll be a 1st down. Here we go. 1st and goal here. Champ pressure. Trying to find somebody here. Champ fires. Left corner. It is caught. Touchdown, North Carolina. Rose with a touchdown grab for the Tar Heels. Tar Heels take an early 6-0 lead. Extra point attempts. Up. Good. 7-0 North Carolina. Here we go. Now we got a touchback here for Miami. We go 1st down now here for Miami. And we got the check down left side here. This pass is caught. Gain 12 for the Hurricanes. Actually, let's see this. This just gets rid of the scoreboard. Gotta need that back though. Anyways, deep shot here in 2nd and 3 for the end zone. Caught! Touchdown, Miami! Kim with a touchdown grab for the Hurricanes. Extra point attempts here for Miami. This one up. Good. 7-7. We are tied, folks. Go. Here's the kick. This one up and will be turned here by the Tar Heels. DK6 with the return. He'll get to about the 29. So we'll mark him 1st down, North Carolina. We go 1st down here. Champ back in the end zone. Champ rolls left side. Champ sacked! Back at the 2, maybe the 1. He was down to the 1. 2nd and 43 for the 1 here for North Carolina. This is terrible positioning here for Champ. 2nd and 43. Check down left side is caught. Gain of 8. It'll be 3rd down for North Carolina. Yeah, the 3rd and 35 for the Tar Heels. Oh, my. Here we go. 3rd and 35. Champ rolls left side. Champ in his end zone. Champ almost hit right there. Fires right side. This one is caught. Again at 28. 4th down. 4th and 6. The offense will remain on the field here, folks. We got a 4th and 6. Champ fires. Oh my God! It bounced right off of his hands. Turnover on downs. The Hurricanes are back on offense. Now this is either Calvin or Dank at the start of quarterback. I'm not 100% sure which one it is right now. 1st down here for the Hurricanes. Got a check down over the middle. No gain. I think it's Dank. I could be wrong. It could be Calvin. I think it's Dank. And for now, I'm going to go with Dank here. 2nd and 15 here Fires left side here. This one out of bounds, but we have a first down for the Hurricanes. I am Corey. Thank you for the follow, man. Much appreciated. Here we go. First and goal for the Hurricanes. Tank the backfield. Tank rolling left side. Tank pressure. Fires left corner. Incomplete. Just a little high. I think if we caught that, I think that might have been an illegal touch. Here we go. Second and goal. This is a quick pass. Good! Touchdown! Miami! And the Hurricanes take the lead for the first time tonight. The quick pass on the left side gets them in the end zone. Here we go. Extra point attempt is up. Good. 14-7 Miami. Go. Just a kick, and it'll be a touchback for North Carolina. Here we go. First down here for the Tar Heels. Champ moving around in the backfield. Champ with pressure. Champ rolling left side. Champ back in the end zone. Champ will take a deep shot left side. This pass will be caught! Touchdown, North Carolina! Honeybun with a touchdown grab for the Tar Heels. Well, that makes up for this loss of however many it was in their last drive. Extra point ties to 14, folks. Go. This one up. Good. 14. Here we go. Here's the kick now. This one up will be touchback here for Miami. Here we go. First down now here for the Hurricanes. First down here. Dank. Backfield. Dank. Back in the end zone. Dank over the middle. This pass will be caught. Gain at 35. What a first down for Miami. Here we go. First down now here for the Hurricanes. They got less than 20 seconds left here in the first. Here we go. First down. Quick pass right side here from Dank. Swatted incomplete. Here we go. Second 15 now. About to be out of time here in the first. Dank with the run. Gain of 10. That might take us to the end of the first quarter, folks. And it will. We go to the second. We're tied at 14 here between the Hurricanes and the Tar Heels. Reminder to everybody, the prediction's currently up and live. Get them in while you can. 3rd and 5 for Miami. Dank. Check down left side. No! Tripped up short. It's 4th and 1. It's either going to say 4th and 1 or 4th and inches. They'll make it 4th and 1. Dank. Rolling right side. Dank. Goes left side. Wide open man. First down Miami. Trying to do some spin moves. Trying to get some blocks. Fails the hurdle. Gain of 10. First down Hurricanes. Here we go. First down here. Dank. Check down right side. Pass is caught. Gain of 3. Steph Kirby. Thank you for the follow. Much appreciated. 2nd and 12 here for Miami. Okay, so Caden, the starting quarterback for the Hurricane men. Whole bunch. Yeah, it's like 3 different quarterbacks, apparently, from Miami. And all of this, thank you for the follow. Much appreciated. 3rd and 12 from Miami. 3rd and 12 here. Caden. Rolling left side here. Got some time. Blocker's trying to give him some time here. 3rd down. Caden. Gonna run it surprisingly. Gonna be a gain of 7. 4th down, Miami. We go 4th and 5 from Miami. Caden, pressure. Trying to find somebody. Caden. Moving around in the backfield. It's 4th and 5. You gotta just do something with the ball here. Caden taking all day in the backfield. Caden looking for somebody. Goes. That's what caught! Touchdown, Miami! And the Hurricanes are back in the lead. Whippo with the touchdown grab. Extra point. Up. Good. 21-14. Miami. Here's the kick. This one up and will be returned here by the Tar Heels. And we'll get to the 30. First down, North Carolina. Here we go. First down, North Carolina. Champ in the backfield. Champ with pressure. Champ rolling left side, now cutting back right side. Champ in his end zone. Just can't take the safety. The blocker has lost both defensive ends. Champ just got to get rid of it. He will. Check down left side here to Orpupi. And Orpupi taken down, gain of 12. Second down, North Carolina. RXK Steph, thank you for the follow, much appreciated. 2nd and 3 here for North Carolina. Champ rolling right side. Champ, pressure, gets rid of it, deep right side. Pass is caught! What a grab! Gain of 49 for the Tar Heels. First and goal for North Carolina. Go first and goal here. The jump pass for the end zone. Caught! Touchdown, North Carolina. Honey Bun, second touchdown. Second touchdown. Grab of the night for Honey Bun. Extra one away from a tie game once again. This one up. And good. We're tied at 21, folks. There we go. Now here's the touchback for Miami. Here we go. First down, Miami. First down. Caden rolling right side. Caden trying to find somebody. Caden, deep shot right side. This one is caught. Touchdown. He takes the time to taunt. Touchdown, Miami. Kim with the touchdown grab. And look at those moves. The one-play drive. Kim torched the secondary. Goes back to taunt. And takes it in for the touchdown. Extra point attempt is up and good. 28-21. Here we go. Here's the kick now. So one up and will be touchback for North Carolina. Very close game here. So we are about 2 minutes away from halftime. First down for North Carolina. Champ in the backfield. Champ with pressure. Champ back in the end zone. Almost stepped out, it seems, and that is just a throwaway ball right there. Wise decision right there by Champ. Not take a safety. For a moment, it looked like he was about to step out of the back of the end zone. Here we go. Second down here. Champ. Dropping back in the end zone again. Champ. Deep shots. Right side. This one will be swatted. Incomplete. Third down, North Carolina. What a swat right there from the Hurricanes secondary. We go 3rd and 15. Champ, you just need a first down here, man. You don't got to go deep. This one will be caught by Rose, and Rose with the first down. Rose gets taken down around midfield, maybe the 48, 49. Or the 47, actually. First down here for North Carolina. Here we go, first down here. Champ, dropping back deep. Champ goes left side. A torch secondary one more time. Touchdown, North Carolina. Honey Bun with the third one of the night. Point is up, pulled left, but in. 28-28. Here we go. Here's the kick. This one up and will be touchback for Miami. This is a gunslinging primetime matchup here, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know what you want me to say. This has been a very, very competitive matchup here from both teams. First down for Miami. Caden almost hit right there. The check down left side to be hit. And be hit with a gain of 8. It'll be second down, Hurricanes. We got 2nd and 7 now. Caden tries to run it, gets a gain of 1. It'll be 3rd down, Miami. 1 minute warning, folks. We're tied at 28. Here we go, 3rd and 6. Caden dropping back. Caden in the end zone. Caden check down right side. And incomplete! The check down man missed it, but so did the defender. It is 4th and 6, Miami. Go 4th and 6 for the Hurricanes. Caden, you need 6, man. That's all you need. Caden goes right sideline. This one is swatted to the ground by Champ. It'll be a turnover on downs, and the Tar Heels are back on offense. First down here. Champ. Looks like almost got hit in the backfield. Instead, gain of 6. 2nd down, North Carolina. Go 2nd and 9. Champ in the backfield. Champ check down right side is caught. Gain of 11. First down, North Carolina. Timeout, Tar Heels. Now you're inside of the red zone. So you got this most likely going to be your last chance to score here before we're halftime. Champ on first down. Champ will run it himself. Taken down, gain of 8. Timeout, North Carolina. Their second one of the half. 9 seconds. 2nd and 7. They got 1 more timeout. And just 10 yards to go. 2nd and 7. Champ. Jump pass for the end zone. Tipped. Incomplete. 3rd down. That saves them a timeout. They got 5 seconds now. They still only need 10 yards to get in that end zone. No point in going for a first down at this point. You're going end zone. We go 3rd down. Champ. Quick pass again. Receiver goes early. 4th down. They saved 3 seconds. They got to make this one count. 4th and 7. Champ, final play of the half. Champ, almost sacked. Champ rolling right side. Champ, got to go end zone here, but where will he go? Champ fires. It's tipped. Intercepted! Well, I know it doesn't mean anything, but let's watch this again. What a interception. He's deflected it right to his teammate. Incredible. But that takes us to halftime, folks. We're tied here at 28. I mean, that was an incredible interception, no doubt about it. But unfortunately, it was at the end of the half, so it didn't really mean much. We got to start the second half, folks, and Miami will be starting on offense. Here we go. And we get to the 26. Here we go. First down now here for Miami. Caden rolling left side. Caden, deep shot. Left side. I think it's too far out. Just barely too far out. We got a redemption of
Marco's Country. Let's ride.
2nd and 15 for Miami. Here we go. 2nd down here. Caden rolling right side. Caden pressure. Caden over the middle. This one is caught. First down Miami. And can he take it all the way? He's got some blockers, but he's got guys coming up from behind and taking it down. Gain of 56 for the Hurricanes. First down. Here we go. Caden on first down. Caden will run it. Gain of 3. 2nd down, Miami. Here we go. 2nd and 12 here. The run and a gain of 6. 3rd down, Miami. Here we go. 3rd and 6 here. Caden rolling right side. Caden Fires, check down over the middle, gain of 1, 4th down Miami. It's 4th and 4 for the Hurricanes. Here we go, 4th down. Caden, check down left side, got it! Touchdown Miami! Brian with a touchdown grab for the Hurricanes to get them back in the lead. Extra point attempt is up. Good. 35-28. There we go. Here's the kick. This one up and will be touchback for North Carolina. Here we go. 1st down. North Carolina. They had the opportunity to go ahead, take the lead before halftime. Fortunately, they weren't able to get it. Now they got to tie it. Their first drive of the 2nd half here. Champ with a check down left side to Foz? I think it might be Foz. I could be wrong about that. Anyways, now 1st down for North Carolina. Champ in the backfield. Champ with pressure. Champ is sacked! 2nd time Champ has been taken down the backfield here tonight. 2nd and 21 for North Carolina. Champ, 2nd down here. Fires over the middle. Pass is caught. Hit stick. But he got the 1st down. 1st down, North Carolina. Here we go. 1st down here. Champ. In the backfield, Champ fires right side. It is incomplete. It was intercepted. Those toes were nowhere close to being in bounds. I'm going to be honest with you. They might have on if you did a slow motion replay, but in the quick time that was not close. Champ somehow got that 3v1 to his receiver, but it is 3rd and 1 now for North Carolina inside of the red zone now. 3rd and 1 here. Champ rolling left side. Champ will run it. Taken down, gain of 3. 1st down, North Carolina. Here we go. 1st and goal. Champ in the backfield. Champ trying to find somebody here. Champ rolling right side. Champ check down right side and stepped out of bounds. Gain of 6 though, so positive yards for the Tar Heels. 2nd and goal. Here we go, 2nd and goal here. Champ, toss up left side, incomplete. 3rd down, North Carolina. Here we go, 3rd and goal. Here we go, 3rd down here. Champ fires, it's a card! Touchdown, North Carolina! DK6 with a touchdown grab for the Tar Heels. Next point away, and we are tied once again. Here we go, this one up. Good, 35-35. Here we go, here's the kick. This one up will be turned here by the Hurricanes, and it'll get to about the, I think they're marked about the 30. It'll be a 1st down Miami. Here we go, 1st down for the Hurricanes. And we got a play clock extension here. And hopefully this goes on for a little bit. I'm gonna go get a drink. I will be right back, folks. Alright, I didn't miss anything. Good. Okay. Alright. First down for Miami. We're tied at 35 once again. And it looks like we're going to be resuming play here. First down. Caden in the backfield. Caden rolling left side. Caden fires right side. Pass caught by Behet. Behet, gain of 5. 2nd and 10 for the Hurricanes. Here we go. 2nd and 10 here. Caden back in the backfield. Rolling right side. Caden, deep shot. Left side. It is intercepted by the Tar Heels. Rose with the pick for North Carolina, and now they have a chance to do something they haven't done since the first quarter, and that is take the lead, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go, first down here, Champ. Back in the end zone, Champ. And that ball is on the ground. He didn't get taken down for a safety. He got it off. 2nd and 15. Excuse me. 2nd and 15 here. Champ rolling left side. Champ with pressure. Champ almost hit. It looks like it's about his. He throws, but this one over the middle and caught. First down. North Carolina gains 17 for the Tar Heels. Here we go. First down. Champ in the backfield. Champ in the end zone. Champ over the middle. Pass is caught. First down. Honeybun with the reception. The gain 23 for the Tar Heels. Here we go. First down here. Champ in the backfield. Champ fires left side. Pass is caught by Rose. And Rose with a huge first down for the Tar Heels. Rose taken down. Gain of 40. And that could be the final play of the third quarter here. And I think it will be. Never mind. Champ going to go one more play here before the fourth. Champ, first down. Pressure. Rolling left side. Champ fires. End zone. Swatted. Incomplete. Almost intercepted. We go to the fourth and we're tied at 35. Here we go, folks. Start of the fourth quarter. 2nd and 15 for North Carolina. Champ in the backfield. Champ fires. Passes. Caught! Dives. And he's short of the end zone. Gain of 17. Here we go. 1st and goal. They fake the screen left side. Champ rolling right side now. Champ. And it looks like they're not even going to attempt a screen here. But he's got so much. Champ has just got a lot of pressure on him right now. Champ fires and intercepted! Oh! A devastating interception throw by Champ. Van with the pick. And the Hurricanes are back on offense, and they got the touchback. Here we go. First down here. Caden in the backfield. Caden pressure. Check down right side. Pass is caught by Behet. Gain of 11. That was an incredible interception right there by Van at a crucial moment. 2nd and 4. Gain of 3 for the Hurricanes. 3rd down, Miami. Got 3rd and inches here. Trying to see if I can see any green. No, cannot. 3rd and inches. Caden rolling right side. Caden fires over the middle. Pass is caught. First down, gain 25 for Miami. Here we go. First down for the Hurricanes. And the run by Caden will get him 7. 2nd down for the Hurricanes. Here we go. 2nd and 8 here. Caden rolling left side. Caden with pressure. Caden. End zone shot on the ground. 3rd down, Miami. It looks like that first half was gunslinging offense, and this second half is looking like shutdown defense for both teams. Caden on 3rd and 8. Caden rolling in the backfield left side. This one is caught. First down, Miami. Gain of 12. First down now here for the Hurricanes. Here we go. Wide open man, left corner, touchdown, Miami! Tua with the touchdown grab, and the Hurricanes are back in the lead. 3:07 to go. Extra point. Up. Good. 42-35. Here's the kick now. This one up will be touchback for North Carolina. Here we go. First down, North Carolina. Here we go. First down here. Champ in the backfield. Champ rolling left side. Champ back in the end zone. Champ rolling right side now. Champ, you got to get rid of that football. Well, he did. 2nd and 15 for North Carolina. They're starting to struggle now. 2nd and 15 here. Champ in the backfield. Champ, pressure. Rolling left side. Champ avoiding the safety here. Over the middle. Pass is caught. First down, Tar Heels. Now he's avoiding the defenders. And finally taken down. Gain 23 for North Carolina. It'll be first down now. At their own 48. Here we go. First down. Champ in the backfield. Champ rolling left side. Champ trying to find somebody here. Champ. Deep shot for the end zone. No, he missed it. It is third down. It's not third down. It's second down. 2nd 15 now for North Carolina. We got second down here. Champ. Pressure. Rolling left side. Champ. Fires. Left side again. Too high. Third down. Tar Heels. Now it's third down. All right. Here we go. 3rd and 15. Champ. Rolling right side now. Cutting back left side. Champ with pressure. Champ. Trying to find somebody here. Champ. You got to get rid of the ball. You need the first. Deep shot right side. Got it! Touchdown, North Carolina! Honeybun with another touchdown grab of the night. That was just a desperation toss by Champ, and it works. 2-point attempt here for the Tar Heels to take the lead for the first time since the first. They got it! Rose with 2. 42, 43, 150 to go. And here we go, touchback here. Here we go. First down now here for the Hurricanes. Caden, check down left side. Pass is caught. And it'll be a gain of 11. Here we go. 2nd and 4 here. The pass right side does not work. 3rd and 4. Oh, I gotta change that. 3rd and 4, Miami. 3rd down. Caden needs the first here. Caden rolling left side. Caden, you need the first here. Caden dropping back deep. Fires left sideline on the ground. 4th down, Miami. Here we go. 4th and 4. Caden needs the first, or it might be ball game. Caden on 4th down. Caden over the middle. Pass is caught. First down, Miami. Brian with the reception. Gain 27. 1 minute warning. It is a 1-point game here, folks. Here we go. First down now. Caden back. Dropping back. Fires right side. This one incomplete. 2nd and 15. Caden in the backfield here. Caden fires left side. Pass incomplete. 3rd down, Miami. Third down. The quick pass gets them 11. Fourth down, Miami. Timeout, North Carolina. 30 seconds, the offense will stay on the field. Fourth down, quick pass, it works! First down, Miami, gain of 20, timeout, North Carolina once again. First and goal. Here we go, first and goal, the pump fake. Looks like it fooled some people. First and goal, Caden fires, right corner, got it! Touchdown, Miami! And the Hurricanes take back the lead with 15 seconds to go. Van with the touchdown grab. We got 15 seconds, and here comes the two-point attempt. The screen does not work. A touchdown wins it for North Carolina. It is a 5-point game. Here we go. This one will be in the end zone. Touchback, North Carolina. One timeout. 15 seconds. And all you need is one touchdown. All you need is 6. Here we go. First down. Champ fires. Pass. Incomplete. 10 seconds. That interception could have sealed that game right there, and the Hurricanes would have won it. 10 seconds. Second and 5. Champ in the backfield. Champ. Quick pass right side. Got it out of bounds. He will. 4 seconds. And I think we are going to see the toss at this point. I mean, it's 4 seconds left. And that's what it looks like we're lining up here for. The touchdown wins it. If the Hurricanes stop the touchdown, they win. Here we go. Final play. Champ. Deep shot. This one will be caught! Touchdown! North Carolina! Rose with the touchdown to win it. They don't even need to go for 2. But they will. 2-point attempts. The game is already over, and they got it. You're poopy with 2, and that ends it here, folks. Final score. Tar Heels, 51. Hurricanes, 48. What a game. What an ending. What a way to close out Series 3, folks. And the Tar Heels, off the last second toss. We've seen it before. But this time, and it works this time. We've seen it before. It's worked sometimes. It's worked not times. Champ, MVP. Alright, folks. Well, I think that is where we'll wrap it up here for you. Final score. Hurricanes 48. Tar Heels 51 to end Series 3. And that's where we'll wrap it up here for you, folks. Representing Team Ocean, I'm the Cowboy Crab saying so long, everybody.